Assembling the Narrow MOLLE panel for your IBEX. Lay out the provided parts. Slide 2 T-nuts into the top T-channel of the IBEX. In the desired position, you're installing the Narrow MOLLE panel. Space T-nuts approximately 6 inches apart. Repeat this step with 2 more T-nuts in the second to lowest T-channel directly below. Place the Narrow MOLLE panel into position from inside the truck bed. Using the 6mm hex key, attach the Narrow MOLLE panel with 4 M8 bolts. Pro tip: align the T-nuts with bolt holes using the 6mm hex key. Tighten all bolts. And don't forget, this accessory, like all our products, is covered by our No Worries limited warranty. We've got your rack and your back.